You need to hear this if you're a gamer looking for a real-life tactical thrill. Picture this. You're in the heat of battle, adrenaline pumping, strategizing with your squad. That's Airsoft. It's not just a game, it's an experience. Realistic gear, intense action, and the ultimate test of your strategic skills. Airsoft takes teamwork to a new level. You'll form tight-knit squads, execute flawless maneuvers, and celebrate epic victories together. It's about the camaraderie and the thrill of outplaying your opponents. And the best part? It's safe and accessible. With strict safety gear and rules, you can focus on the fun and excitement. So whether you're a casual player or a hardcore tactician, Airsoft has something for you. Ready to feel the rush? Gear up and dive into the action. Outthink, outmaneuver, outplay. That's the world of Airsoft. Catch you on the battlefield. Tagline: why Airsoft is the best tactical sport.